legs.
Kohtusime küll.
Kevin, we met a year ago, didn't we?
Ei olnud.
We did. You were not in a good mood. No. You couldn't run. I couldn't. You could stand? No. Yes. But walk upstairs? That was hard as well. How about today? Today it's good.
Siis on halb küll. Aga suvel on
There's a lot of snow. It's hard to walk. It's much easier. It's the best in the summer.
Kevin põeb rasket ja haruldast Duchenne lihasdüstroofiat.
Kevin, who lives in a foster home,
hakkas tema haridus näitama oma karmiisiloomu.
has the rare disease called Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Recently, 3 years ago, he started being treated for it. If it had come a few months later, he would not be walking towards us today. The Health Insurance Fund was not able to fund the treatment. The Children's Foundation helped. We have been worrying along with Kevin for years, but now it's so much better. Previously, it took us 5 to 7 minutes to walk up these stairs. It's 1 to 2 minutes now. To the Ringvaade show, Kevin divulged his great dream. He wants to be a policeman.
hommikul tulid Tallinnas.
He was surprised by the local police force.
Ei tea.
They came in the morning with 2 buses. Did you know you had to go meet the president? No, I didn't.
Yeah.
What did the president tell you? He was in a bit of a hurry. But he said something, didn't he? He did. Did he say you're a good kid? He sure did. How long was the day? It was a long day, and then we went to the rapid response base. They had guns and goggles. Had you already had treatment by then? No, I hadn't. So it was probably quite tiring. It really was. But you made it through? I did. Kevin received his first dose of Translarna a year ago on the 22nd of March. Kevin was so anxious. He threw up out of the tension. In the days we were conducting the initial tests and screenings before we administered the drug.
Siis oli jube.
Do you remember the first days when you got that drug? It was gruesome. Why? I thought it was an injection. Oh, but what's it really? It's a soluble powder.
Nagu teeks nõiajooki.
Nagu nõiajooki
või?
Like a witch's brew.
Jah.
A witch's brew. Yeah, actually, it is a wonder drug, isn't it?
Mingi vahukomm.
What does it taste like? Taste of marshmallows. Do you have to chase after Kevin to take his meds? Oh no, he's always happy to take it. He sometimes even reminds us of the time to take the medicine. When Kevin was able to take the drug, he was happy himself. He knew it would make him healthier. After you take the drug, do you feel different? Yeah, I feel better. Immediately? Yes, immediately. What gets better? My legs. Your legs get stronger? They do.
Mõne aja tagant käib Kevin Tartu Ülikooli Kliinikumi lastehaiglas ravimitoimet kontrollimas.
Periodically, Kevin visits the Tartu University Hospital Children's Department to check up on the functioning of the drug. I first met Kevin when he was met him when he was 1 year and 10 months old. He had a difficult childhood. The situation was that Kevin and his older brother were home alone, and Kevin at the age of 1 year 10 months was hospitalized with us. Normally a child this age would run and jump. He was still down on all fours. Initially, it was my impression that the issue was purely environmental, and we prescribed physiotherapy. At the age of 3, Kevin was returned to the hospital, and after thorough investigations, he was diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy that affects 5 people out of 100,000. The neurologist Eva-Liisa de Schlik had already diagnosed 2 children older than Kevin with the same diagnosis who were still walking. The same year, Translarna had been approved, and this drug could have helped them. We knew the therapy had already been invented. However, the Health Insurance Fund replied to us that this is a hugely expensive treatment whose clinical efficacy has not been sufficiently proven. How about the other 2 patients? They have been wheelchair-bound for years now. 8 years after the initial application, Kevin, with the support of sponsors and donors, received the drug. His current state lets us believe in the miracles of modern medicine. Even leaving aside the impact of the drug on the muscle, and what I see, the way I have seen Kevin change in barely a year is amazing. His ability to focus has improved. He's gained goals on where he wants to be and what he wants to do. The drug has made my life so wonderful that I can read now. I'm starting to become quite smart. Even the teacher is watching with astonishment. That's something, the teacher astonished. Indeed. And I get all 5s and 4s and 5s out of 5. What do you think? Could you ever be a policeman? I don't know. Maybe. I have to admit that this had me tear up a bit because I had had another patient just before Kevin. He was a couple years older, but he was found in a wheelchair and needed assistance with everything. But when I went to see Kevin in the hospital, he bounded out of his bed on his own. We're used to watching the children use their arms to support themselves getting up, but he had no need. And when I see Kevin happy, this is all I need. What's she like as a doctor? She's awesome. What makes her awesome? She gets my jokes. You joke around with her? I do. He knows I always come to him with needles. And in particular, he doesn't enjoy the breathing respiratory function tests. She's awesomely smart. You believe in her? Yes. Yes, he's an entirely changed young man. I love watching him. Kevin dreams big, and his lust for life has switched to a higher gear. I'm a baddie. Can I try this one? What do you think? Cool. They're like mirrors, they're transparent. So here we are. Thumbs up. Last time, it said a lovely thing to other children in need of help. What would you tell them? To talk about their problems. You used to not want to talk about yours. I didn't. But now you do. Now I do. Kevin has started believing that dreams can come true, but his drug is running out. The Health Insurance Fund still does not support Translarna due to the price, 723,000 euros per year. Without the treatment, however, the Disease advances quickly and can cause very early death. The treatment is expensive, but Kevin has no other option, so I hope when we all come together, perhaps we'll make it. And we keep on trying to get health insurance funding as well. Do I exaggerate saying that Kevin is a little miracle? Kevin's a physician who has been treating him since he was a toddler says he's a miracle. My cheeks have gone down in size. They used to hide my eyes, but it's better now. When I turn 13, I'll join the gym. The doctor said I can train as much as I can. I dream of being strong, having a six-pack and the muscles and all. And what will you do with them? Just like that. Being handsome. And if I have children sometime, I'll have to be strong. One has to lift their kids. This is a big and beautiful dream. Yes. I wish so much for your dreams to come true. Thanks. I'll come again next year. See you. Yeah. Agreed? Agreed.
Nüüd on niimoodi, et Ringvaade lähebki uuesti külla talle teisipäeval ja siis millalgi võib oodata uut.
The same show is visiting Kevin again this Tuesday. Updates are coming soon. And this summer, there was a day he walked 20,000 steps in a single day.